If you hate it when people think you're older than your age, or you want to reverse your fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, and sun damage, vitamin C serum could be the answer. Supercharge your skin with Vitamin C Serum Plus from Sana Naturals, which includes ingredients proven to double skin's own collagen-boosting power. Just look at these before and after pictures of men and women who use topical vitamin C and see the improvement in their wrinkles, photo damage, fine lines, and dark spots. In this first picture, you can see significant smoothing through the eye area and her hyperpigmentation is almost gone. Vitamin C is a natural exfoliator and skin brightener. In this next picture, you can see a drastic reduction in crow's feet and wrinkles around the eyes. That's because vitamin C serum helps replenish the collagen in your own skin, helping to smooth out wrinkles. Here you can see a huge improvement in photo damage. Vitamin C serum helps to repair UV damage in the skin. And the same here. Vitamin C has been proven to improve sun damage and helps improve skin's texture. In this last example, you can see a drastic improvement in this woman's crow's feet and smile lines from using a topical vitamin C serum. While vitamin C is an important nutrient for your overall health, very little of it actually reaches the skin when it's orally ingested, so a topical vitamin C is necessary. Vitamin C applied topically in a serum is 20 times more effective than vitamin C taken orally. Choosing the right vitamin C serum for your face is important. Pick one that has at least 20% vitamin C, that is not immersed in water, and contains a stable form of vitamin C like sodium ascorbyl phosphate. Sana Naturals Vitamin C Serum contains the recommended concentration of vitamin C, is immersed in organic aloe and hyaluronic acid, and contains the most stable form of vitamin C available. For a limited time, with every Sana Naturals Vitamin C Serum purchase, you'll also receive a free full-size vitamin C eye gel concentrate, which is safe for use around the delicate eye area. This is especially important because the skin around our eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of our face, and that's one of the main reasons why signs of aging appear here first. Visit SanaNaturals.com to take advantage of this limited time offer and get the best vitamin C serum for your face.